On the phone, Harry Dent, executive editor for the Economy and Markets newsletter. Harry, is this the start of the big sell-off that you've been predicting?
I do think so. This is not a normal correction, or was it a normal rally? We've been going up. We've been telling our subscribers for a good while now, we're going up very strongly, more parabolically, in what's called a rising wedge. And you can draw a trend line through the tops and a trend line through the bottoms. And in the late stage, what makes it even more likely to be a significant top is that you break through the top. Stocks love to say, hey, I'm not really in a wedge and I'm not going down. That's when an aggressive investor would sell, and we told people that. That's the first sell signal. But the real sell signal that says this trend is over when you break through the bottom trend line. We hit that bottom trend line. NASDAQ, Dow, and S&P 500 this morning. We told our subscribers we should get a bounce here. Now we got to watch the bounce. The ideal scenario for me would we go about halfway back in this rally and get back to the top trend line, but not the parabolic top, and then we go back down. Now, here's the problem.
Well, wait a second. I'm sorry. I don't want to confuse anybody. I want to make sure I've got this right. You are saying that this is going to retrace, this current sell-off, the market that we're now in will retrace half of the gain that we've seen since the election. Now, the gain was about 40%, so you're saying we're going to go down about 20% from the 26,000.
No. That's not what I'm saying. I'm going to say we're going to retrace a half of the recent crash, which was about 10% on average, so it would be up about 5%. Now, what I've also been saying, if we do break this very important trend, which again, we held this morning, and I expected that, if we break this, then the crash should become 40%. I've done extensive research over the whole last century, every major stock bubble, and when they burst, the first crash tends to be 40% in 2.5 to 3 months. That means if we break this point and cannot hold it anytime in the next days or weeks, then we could be down to 14,000 on the Dow by late April. And that's why I'm telling people this is not something to
break that line, and we're down to
with.
14,000 by April. Harry Dent, thank you very much, sir.